Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to learn top 5 tips and tricks for a BI analyst. These are the 5 tricks which will help you to increase your productivity on a daily basis. Okay, so let's start. So in the first question, what exactly we need to do here, you guys can see there are a lot of comments we do have in this sheet, and we just need to highlight. We want to fill out the yellow color, for example, wherever we are having the comments. For example, in these ranges we are having comments. I would like to fill it as I would like to fill all these cells as a yellow, and this one also wherever I do have a comments. This is what actually I am looking for. So let's start doing it. I'm pressing Alt F11 to write the VBA code. Okay, so I am writing my code in option explicit mode. Sub procedure, question number one, dim cell as range and sh as a worksheet. So I'm declaring the worksheet as an active sheet. Okay, and for each cell in sh dot use range, not use range. Wherever I'm having something in the cells, okay, in those cells I would like to run this loop. If not, cell dot comment is nothing, then it should be cell dot interior, and then you have to press color VB red and end if. This is the simple code you guys have to do it just to highlight your all the comments. Okay, just to highlight your all the comments. So let's assign this macro in the one button. For example, I'm just taking it from here, and okay. Oh shit, let me select it. Okay, I'm assigning it here. Okay, question number one. I'm simple pressing, I'm clicking on it. Now you look, everything is red. Okay, because I written there as a red, right? So you also can do it as VB yellow, and if you want to delete that you also can do. Let me click here, yellow. Wherever I'm having the comments, you guys can see, okay, all those cells now have been highlighted in yellow. Okay, so I hope this is something which you guys have understood. Okay, let's move to the question number two. In the question number two, this is hide and unhide this workbook. Here we do have a one feature, we do have a one option in the Excel workbook, in the Excel actually. So here we can even hide this entire, the workbook. How we can do that? You need to go in the view, and here you will be able to see. You come from the beginning normal page, and you just leave all these things and come here, and here you will see hide. So when you will press hide, so this is something which got hidden. Now you won't be able to find it anywhere, because you have you have hidden your this workbook. If you want to unhide it, just click here. This is the workbook you guys have. This is the workbook which we just hide, right? Now we need to unhide it. Then how we can do? Simple click on unhide and click on OK. As soon as you will click on OK, and your workbook, your hidden workbook will be okay, will be come on the screen. Okay, so this is how you have to, you can use this trick. Okay, so now question number three. In the question number three, here we what the question says: based on the data provided below, find out how many people are born in the month of Jan. Basically, this is in the D column. We do have a month list. Okay, and here we do have a date of birth. So here I just want to count how many birthdays we do have in the Jan, Feb, March, and so on. So for how we can do that? Simple equal to sum product. Okay, and write here text, because we will not take any helping column. Okay, mmm, because the month format you have to see, it is a 3D mmm. Okay, so it's a simple abbreviation, the month abbreviation, Jan, Feb, March, something like that. Okay, now what you can do, you just you have to use the sum product only, okay, in the normal way as we do use. But here you only need to use the text just to make the date. Okay, just convert the date format into the month. Okay, so that we can do the match. So simple press. Now you have to close the bracket and click on okay. Now you look how many birthdays we do have. In the Jan we do have 4, and total is 75. Let me see what is the count of it. So count of is 75. Okay, so we do have number of people here 75. So and the sum of this count is also 75, which means Okay, our output is absolutely correct. This is how that you can fetch out the number of accounts or number of birthdays we do have in the respective months. Okay, now go in the question number 4. In the question number 4, this is something which is amazing trick which we are going to learn. So here, for example, we do have a partner. What exactly I'm looking for here, what I want is, I would like to have here one option. For example, this partner, this is a partner field we do have from this data. And now if I would like, if I have written here, you know, bob, then I would like to print my all the bob data here, like this. How I can do that? We will do this, okay, through Power Query. What you can do, simple click it and go in the data, select your this particular, you know, the helping column which you have created. Now click here, go in the data, from table and range, my table has a header, check it and click on OK. Now what you can do here, you will have that, you know, particular file, you will have that particular table in this Power Query. Now right click here, click on the drill down. As soon as you will click on the drill down, we do have a bob, right? And next, just simply home and close and load to. And now you have to only make it only a create connection, nothing else. Click on OK. You have done this for the this field. Now what you can do, click in the raw data. Now what you can do, you simply can go in the data and again from table and range, so that you can also import this data into the Power Query. Okay, what you need to do is, this is the data we do have now. You know, apply any filter. For example, I'm applying, I am just, you know, filtering out abc prq llc. Okay, I just click. So here, if you will go, if you will look at this m code, so here you do have the, this is what actually we have filtered out. So this is something which we have to link from the table 7. Okay, where we have drilled down that name. So simple, right here, table 7, click OK. Now you will look what we do have here. Let me see, table 7 bob. This is the bob which now has been filtered out. Okay, now close and load to. Now what you need to do, table in existing workbook I would like to print here, and click on OK. As soon as you have done, now you look, we do have a bob data. Okay, the name and the data which we are looking for, because in the I2 you have to mention. For example, now I am looking for SBI. Now the data is not changed. So what you can do, you can simply refresh it, right click and refresh. As soon as you will refresh, you will be able to see you will have a SBI data. And if you want to filter out this one, so what you can do, right click and refresh. That's it. This is how simple now it is, just to filter out this stuff. Or you just need to write and refresh. Okay, and if you want to make it more easy, that you can write a one small code and you can assign that refresh code into the one button, so that you don't need to click right click, and you don't need to do any kind of manual, you know, manual changes, or you have nothing to do with anything. You know, you don't need to right click, you don't need to go and refresh manually. You just click on that button, and the output which you're looking for, you will get automatically. Okay, so now we have solved total question, or total 4 questions. Now let's move to the question number 5. In the question number 5, it says here, we do have some names here. We want to convert this name into the Hindi. This is the, these names are in English. Now I want to convert these names into the Hindi. So what you can do, simple copy it, just copy and go in the review. Okay, and here you will have the translate. Just click here. Okay, now simple, you have to, you, I think this is already got auto detected. Now from in not to English, it should be Hindi. Right here, Hindi. Just click here, Hindi. Now copy it, copy and simple paste here. Paste it. Paste it in the Unicode. You look how simple it is. Simply you can do these things. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.